Feel free to take them home as memorabilia. You know, the ones that came from the back of Countdown. We'll bring them over to Fire Bonnie, and so we will have them as our memorabilia. Also, I've got 5 djembes out there somewhere. Could they please return them to Fire Bonnie so we can use them for a resource for future rallies? Kia ora.